Okay, now in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add different items to your course, and again, I call it a course, it's your page, and that's just habit for me, so I apologize for that. So first off, let me explain down here through the center. Each one of these areas where it has a date, we can change those, change that information. I'll show you that later on. But each one of these areas is considered a topic or a week, as you see here, and you can change that. We can get rid of that if you don't want it. You can dump them all and just use the top area and add all your information in there, or you can separate it out. That's more of an aesthetics thing than it is anything, especially for what you guys are using the system for. So again, first thing that I'll show you is this edit summary, and what I want you to do with your course and with your page is to add some information here at the very top of your page. And in order to do that, you're going to click that gear, open it up, and you can remove this check and put your name in here, and then under the summary, this is where you can add whatever information you want to kind of pretty up your page. Feel free to play with that. Let me add a few things here. This is again what you see as what's called a WYSIWYG, and what that stands for is what you see is what you get. And you're used to working with something like this as PowerPoint or Microsoft Word or anything like that. So you can go in and type your name to say okay. And if you wanted to change any of that, you can bold it, go over and italicize, those kind of things. Now this little button here shows you additional buttons, which again, you're probably familiar with most of these buttons. It looks a lot like a word processing area. If you wanted to add a picture, then you can use this particular image. I've not used the video. If there's a video or something like that, then there's a different link, and I'll show you kind of how I do that probably in another video session. But for this one, let's go ahead and put your cursor where you want to insert a video, an image, then click on the button, and when that comes up, you want to click Browse Repository, go over to Upload a File, click on Upload a File, and then this is just like anything else. So browse, and I'm just going to search around here real quick. Let me go to my desktop, see if I've got something here. Oh yeah, there you go. You guys will love this one. I will never hear the end of it, I'm sure. So once you find the image you want, you click Upload. This screen pops up, and you can totally change the image. So I'm going to change the image just because it's so large. I'm going to reduce this image size, and I just shrunk that image size down. And you can click on the alignment. Where do you want it to fall in the page itself? So that's totally up to you. I'm going to align mine in the middle and then save the image. Sorry about that. You gotta make description not necessary and save the image, and there you go. That's been enrolled in, laid into the center. You can add anything you want. If you want to click on it, let's say I want to click on the image and center it in the page, and I want to center this. There we go. And the last thing I want to do is save changes. So I absolutely figured you guys would get a big kick out of that. There is how you add a little bit of stuff to the center of the page. If you want to go back and edit that, simply click on Edit Summary, and you can go back, pull that up, and get rid of it. Once you've made all the changes you want, again, click Save Changes, and then to see what all the students see, turn editing on.